Hello guys, good morning. This is once again Lancaster New City MS 1812. So it's August 31. It's quite a gloomy day today. It's cloudy and none of the workers have come to do this. Yesterday the administrator and the engineer came and they saw the problem with the electrical and also the wall, the slab that was actually, they removed the door frame with a sledgehammer, and that's what they call is a marso. So this has weakened out the slab over here. It's got several cracks in it, so I do not know how they're going to fix that. The main concern over here is this electric. Now this is the washroom downstairs, okay? So that's how the electric was done, and I have asked them to replace it with a pipe, a PVC pipe. Now if you look at the flooring over here, it's all, what do you call it, sand and gravel. And after they removed the tiles, this is what was under the tiles. It's all sand and gravel that was under the tiles. So this is another issue. And it's strange, they have the electric, they have the water, and they have the pipe that comes from the toilet. This is the waste pipe actually. This is where all the waste material come down. So they have all these three together in one line. Now hopefully they have promised to fix it, but let's see how long, because now this floor over here, it gets wet because I think water seeps in from underground. So I'm not sure what they're going to do about that. I've requested them to put waterproofing. This is a sad state really. This is the precast slab and it's been held up by some wire. Let's see, what is this? Yeah, I mean it's a wire. So that's it. That's how the precast slab is. Look here, when they used the jackhammer, what happened? It got cracked. And there are other cracks too. And this is the step. So you see, that is the step out there. Now this is what we've been taking out, rather than those who came here to repair the place. This is what they've been taking out from the floor. So actually it's all sand. Now the steps remain the same way. They haven't continued to work. I mean, that still is the same. So we are living with a lot of dust around. We've started to get coughs. And my television, I clean it every day. But look what happens. Every day is new dust that accumulates. So it's quite difficult for us living in a house like this. But it's a sacrifice too, because we did not know that we are going to be duped like this with a substandard house. Now the time is 10:10 and still nobody come to do any repairs. So I'm just keeping you guys updated about MS 11 1812, the repair and the progress of the repair. So do like, comment and share, and talk to you tomorrow guys. Thank you for listening and watching my videos. Bye bye.